Hi guys, let me show you how to check your WhatsApp login activity and protect your account from an unauthorized access. Let's go. Well, the first thing you want to do is to enable security notifications to get notified if somebody is trying to access your account. To do this, you need to go to Settings, tap on three dots on Android or gear icon on iPhone, go to Settings, tap on Account, Security Notifications, scroll down and enable Show security notifications on this device. Next, go back to the account settings and enable two-step verification. Hit turn on and create your PIN. You will have to enter this PIN each time you log in from your device. Now hit save, apply in settings, and now go back to the main screen. Enter your PIN for the first time. Going forward, we won't need to enter this PIN on this device. Now, once again, hit three dots and go to linked devices. Here you can see a list of devices you've logged in to your account from. And if you suspect that somebody might have access to this device or this is not your login, just tap on the item and log out. And that's pretty it. These simple steps will keep your WhatsApp account secure. Hope this was helpful. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and be awesome. Bye guys.